Imagine if every second you spent was worth $1. Would you waste it? The truth is, time is more valuable than gold, yet it's the one thing we often squander without a second thought. Today, I'm going to reveal why time is the most precious resource we have and how understanding this can transform your life. Unlike money, once time is spent, it's gone forever. You can earn back lost cash, but lost time, it's irreplaceable. That's why time is often called gold. It's the ultimate currency, determining what you can achieve, who you can become, and how you experience life itself. Every moment holds potential. The way you use your time defines your success, your happiness, and your legacy. Those who realize the true value of time understand that it's not about having more of it, but about making every second count. So what's your time worth to you? Remember, time is the one asset you can never get back once it's gone. Make every second as precious as gold. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who values their time. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.